In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Analytics for website insights. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for meaningful trends, how to compare performance over time, and how to break down traffic by key segments like device type. Start by opening Google Analytics and landing on the home screen. This page gives you quick snapshots of activity, but to really dig in, head to the Reports area from the left-hand navigation. Reports are your pre-built dashboards, organized to answer common questions about who's visiting, how they found you, and what they do once they arrive. Think of this section as your ready-made command center. Less setup, more insight. Once you're in Reports, choose any overview that matches your immediate question. For instance, if you care about where traffic is coming from, the Acquisition Overview is a great place to start. The layout is consistent across reports, trends over time, top channels or pages, and useful breakdowns. Take a moment to scan what's already there so you understand the context before changing settings. Next, adjust the time frame so your data tells a fair story. In the top right corner, click the date range. Yours might show something like April 15 to May 12, 2026. Use the calendar to set the window you care about. A 28-day or full-month view is common for monitoring trends. To understand whether you're improving, enable a comparison in the date selector, such as previous period or previous year. Year over year is especially helpful for seasonal businesses, while previous period highlights short-term momentum. When you've set the range and comparison, apply your changes and let the charts refresh. To answer deeper questions, add a comparison within the report. Look for the comparison control near the top of the screen, then select a dimension like Device Category. Choose Mobile for one comparison and Desktop for another, and apply. Your tables and charts will now split out performance by device, making it obvious if, for example, mobile users bounce more or convert less. This is a fast way to spot experience gaps that deserve attention. As you interpret the results, keep an eye on consistency. Make sure the same date range and comparison are active across the reports you review, so your conclusions line up. If something looks off, double-check the filters or comparisons you've applied. With these simple moves, using reports, setting smart date comparisons, and applying targeted comparisons, you'll turn raw traffic into clear, actionable insights that guide better decisions.